Hi, I'm Connor Roberts from Ohio Technical College. This week we did some project-based learning in the shop. We would like to pay tribute to all of our heroes and fallen soldiers. We built a flag, we plasma cut a tattered flag, colored it with a torch. We want to add color to a metal like stainless steel. We can actually heat the steel with a torch, and at different temperatures it'll have different hues and different colors and tones in that material. And we got a really cool color hue going out throughout it, and that's what gave that little bit of texture, that little bit of added flair. Made a Memorial Day sign. We TIG welded a design, a pattern, and did lettering to spell out Memorial Day, pay tribute. And thank you to our students who worked really hard and built some projects to memorialize all of our heroes.